Many of you guys may have seen this already on my YouTube channel. I purchased it sometime last year, but it's very Zgallerie inspired, and I got it for such a great price at Kirkland's. It was only $180 after all the discounts, so I'll go ahead and link this one down below for you guys if you guys are interested. As I mentioned, it is very Zgallerie and Pier 1 inspired, and I absolutely love it. It's definitely Rustic Glam, which is totally up my alley. Moving on to my new dining table, I have been obsessing over a table just like this from Restoration Hardware. This table I purchased, I believe it was on sale for $6.99 at Home Depot, and I'll go ahead and link it down below. It is very rustic, and the chairs that I will be getting will be adding the glam factor to it. As you guys know, I love tufted chairs, so I will be getting some tufted beige dining chairs to match my couch here, and I don't know, I just can't wait to see it all come together. So this table definitely came in a couple other shades, but I went ahead and just chose to go with the antique gray because I absolutely love it. It's so rustic to me. So eventually I will add a rug here, change the blinds, and also add curtains. Moving on to my new breakfast table, I absolutely love it. It goes hand in hand with my dining table. Don't mind the curtains on the floor. I actually have a handyman coming to hang them up higher. They are 96 inches, but I absolutely love the legs on this table. Again, it's in the antique gray finish, and I absolutely love it. It's so pretty and rustic. And I will be adding some beige tufted chairs here also. Here's just a closer look of the legs of the table, which are my favorite part. Just so pretty, and the details on this table look exactly like Restoration Hardware. So that's my furniture haul, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and will be excited to see all that's to come on my channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next one.